Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and if you remember my Thrifting Halloween video, I had thrifted a few awesomely epic items that I intended on putting together into a costume that up here seems like it's gonna work. I haven't done it yet. That's what we're gonna do today. And so first item, please. These lovely flesh-colored leggings. Next, these awesome silvery purpley lashes. And a wig, a very, very hot pink wig. But best of all, this absolutely amazing, ginormously sequined top. And again, the idea I have up here, I'm really hoping is going to translate into the most amazingly, fantastically wonderful costume you've ever seen. So let's just go see if I can put it all together, makeup included, right now.
So I figured because I'm trying to create a reverse mermaid, I needed to have a fishy fin coming out of the top of my wigged head. So I grabbed some cardboard from my stash and some markers and drew on a cute little fish fin. Then, of course, I had to cut it out. And when I cut it out, I made sure that I cut it in a wide kind of curving shape along the bottom so it would easily fit around my head and the wig. Then I popped on the wig and marked where I would like the fin to start just with a little black dot, and then of course simply glued that fish fin on the top of my wig. And of course I did do both sides of the fish fin, so it's adorable from every angle. This is so simple. And now it's time for makeup. I'm just using the makeup that I already have and I use all the time, and I figured because I'm trying to do a fishy face, I need to have some huge eyes. I have blue eyes, so I extended the blueness of my eyes quite far down under my eyelids. Then I filled in a whole bunch of extra space there with some white eyeliner, and that was simply because, as I said, I'm trying to make myself have big fishy eyes. And of course then I grabbed some pink lip liner and traced around the outside of my big fishy eyeballs there to try to make it look kind of like the outside of an eyelid. And I did grab my black eyeliner and attempted to put a little pupil in there. I don't know if it works, but something's happening to my face. And then I snagged some brightly colored shadow and just put on some blue and some green all the way up to my brows. Now comes the fun part, throwing some fishnet stockings over my head. And no, I'm not going to go rob a bank in the 1960s. I am, in fact, going to create some awesome fish scales with more of that colorful eyeshadow and just pattern it all around. And now comes the reveal. Did it work? It absolutely did. Look at that. That looks like fishy, scaly skin. How cool. And of course, I'm just going to wash those fishnets and wear them again. These, of course, are those cheapy eyelashes, and they're pre-glued, so you just stick them on. Now time to give myself some ginormous, lusciously fishy looking lips, and for that I just drew a giant circle over the center of my actual lips and then filled it in. Now let's add some shiny gloss and go try everything on and style it all up.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.